I found this board at Hobby Lobby for $4.50, and starting with gray linen and some water and my S30 Klingon brush, I painted the first panel in gray linen. Now I'm moving on to Bowie, and that is going to be my middle board. And once I get the coverage to the middle board, I'm going to blend into the gray linen on the bottom. Again, using water, adding a little bit more gray linen, then on the top board, I'm putting in Mandarina. I apologize, I had it standing and was missing the view of the camera, but it is just Mandarina on the top. And then I blended the Bowie into the Mandarina. Now I'm taking some turmeric and creating a half circle on the top board. Using some snow owl, I'm blending that in randomly throughout my project in the first two panels. All the paint is still wet at this point, which is allowing me to blend quite easily. I'm going to use some salt wash and some snow owl and create a paste. We will provide a link for the salt wash below the video, or you can find it on our Don't Miss Out at chalkitupfancy.com. You also can find the paint and the brushes at chalkitupfancy.com. Taking a small art knife, I'm just using it to place the textured snow owl in a random fashion at the bottom of the board in the gray linen area. And I'm doing a little bit just above that line. Very light. I'm just using a baby wipe to remove any paint that got on the metal rivets on this board, which really made this board. I just love the way it turned out. And this is just a very easy painting anybody can do if you want to give something a try. Now I'm going in with Snow Owl on top of my wet turmeric and blending that into my half circle. And the Mandarina underneath is still a little wet. And now I'm just going to dry brush. Dry brushing is just tipping your brush on a flat side and having very little paint. And I'm just dry brushing down into the Bowie. And there you go. Now you have this cute ocean view painting. Very easy to do. Thanks so much for watching.